Hey, what's up you guys? This is Junior Trader, and in this video we are taking a look at 5 semiconductors. Are they a hold or a sell? So let's jump right into it, starting off with SMCI. But before that, I also want to let you know none of this is any financial advice and it's only for education purposes, just sharing my opinion. Please do your own thing. Alright, so SMCI, is it a buy or a hold? Oh, sorry, is it a hold or a sell? Right, the buy stuff, it has, the reason I'm not talking about the buy because they are already have confirmed in the past couple of days ago the buy, and I talked about it already on those situations on my videos. So these all 5 that we are talking about, they should have already been bought even in the recent price action, and now it's the question of are they a hold or a sell, right? So SMCI, we have been holding that very area of $30 that I have provided you, the significant level as for the recent price action. And thereafter, we have been continuing higher. Lately, again, we are seeing some cool off. But however, this is just a pullback in the price action. It's not bearish. Let's turn on my tools as well. SMCI still is in the bullish structure here. Technically, it's a hold. Now, I'm going to take you to the hourly interval as well because there are certain important areas. Now, the couple of things, we don't need this area anymore. Let's get rid of that. I mean, that's still an important area, but the price action for recent area to watch, that's not the zone. This is the recent zone that we need to keep an eye on. As long as we still hold above it, technically SMCI is still fine. Above this, it's still a hold. Below this, definitely there is a weakness. So $32.80 around the zone. Below this, we have a weakness. Above this, it's still a hold for the buying that should have been done on this already a couple of days ago that I was talking about in the price action. The next one is Intel. Is Intel a hold or a sell now? Why so? Because, well, I talked about it that we have a gap up here and technically it is looking a good price action to continue higher up. However, it has slowed down and failed, and I mentioned that it's an Intel. Hard stop loss has to be below this area, and then you can size in, size out the position. As if price action continues to weaken, then size out definitely beforehand here, manage the position. And this, I would say, is a sell. It's getting very well. There's still a chance, but right now it's not a hold. All right, to put it simply, it's in the sell category. Now, where will be that confirmation again for if this needs to be bought back up? Well, for that, we'll have to take a look at the hourly interval. At this point, without breaking further below, if we can get above $21, let's say tomorrow, and we close above it, things may start to look better again. And then thereafter, the good extra confirmation is above $21.44. So that's what start is above 21.10 if we want to again get back into the category of buy or hold. Not as, yeah, but otherwise, unfortunately, right now, it's more falling into the sell category. And slowly, yeah, it's not looking good. The third one we have is Broadcom. Is Broadcom a hold or a sell? Broadcom is a hold. It's still in the bullish directional trend and it's still a hold. So yeah, it's not a sell. And let's go to the hourly interval. Yeah, it's just bullish, guys. Even though it's rejecting the trend line above, that's fine. I already told you a couple of days ago, after this candle, that is just bullish. As long as we hold this significant level, we are just bullish. We went up. We get slowing down. However, it's still not a sell. As long as we hold now above 241.73, we are technically just fine even on intraday. You can also use a new, almost a trend line that we are in. So it's not a perfect, but you get my point. It's the reference. Anyways, I'll use this significant level. Most importantly, let's get rid of that line. We don't need that anymore. All right, that's Broadcom. That's the third one on the list. What's the fourth one? Fourth one is ARM. Is ARM a hold or a sell? Technically, it's still in the bullish structure, but it's getting, so I always say take partial profits in the extensions. It's still in the bullish structure. However, on the lower time frame and intraday, it is not yet. It's still technically in a pullback zone. It's still a hold. But anyhow, we have to wait and see where we get the confirmation. Now, when I say it's a hold, it doesn't mean that you can't take partial profits. You have to keep taking partial profits. Hold in a way that for the remaining position that you are fine holding through because we are already in the bullish structure. So it's not a sell, but it's a hold to see if the pullback start to turn bullish eventually. So where's that confirmation? So let's go to the hourly interval. At this point, Technically, it has a room to stay hold until this trend line as well. But anyhow, if you want to get again full on bullish on the lower time frame, we have to tomorrow get above $164 and we will be fine. Otherwise, no, we are then watching a potential rebound at this trend line, and definitely that will define. So it's not a sell, it's still a hold, but we have to wait for more confirmation for it to again confirm the start of an uptrend. So, but we should be already sizing in, sizing out position, as in the extensions, take profits, pull back when it confirms, completes, reload again. So right now it's not, pullback hasn't completed itself, it's still in that zone, but it's a hold, it's not a sell. All right, but again, only for partial position. You should have taken partial profits already up in that extension. The fifth one and the final one for this video is Micron. So Micron, is it a hold or a sell? So what's the background on this thing? So I talked about it that this is bullish already. Take the partial profits here because pullback will come through because first stage is done. We got that pullback. For those very reasons, I tell you take profits. Now technically it's in the pullback, but since we are below 106 and 26 cents, intraday there is still weakness on this. But is it a sell? No, it's not a sell. Technically we are still, it's in a hold. It's a hold still, okay? However, size out position if you can't tolerate this drawdown. Technically it's not a drawdown, it's still a pullback for you because the bullish structure has been on this from here. You got to take partial profits in the extensions and let the pullback happens and see where it confirms again. It's not a sell though. All right, it's not bearish, but intraday, yes, intraday it's still weak. Now what to watch here? If pullback has to confirm its completion on the daily interval, we need to see at least hourly interval turn bullish. Where would be that thing? So we'll have to close tomorrow above 104 and 58 cents. If we can do that, this will start to look bullish again. Otherwise, no, but it's not a sell right now. So for the sell, we need to see some more breakages on this, and that I think is still quite far away. So, oh, and just before wrapping up, if you are interested in checking out other stocks, I have done a lot of those on my channel. Check those out. Tesla, SoFi, Palantir, there is an earnings season happening, so definitely a lot of coverage is coming out, especially the ones which have recent earnings coming this week. So a lot of stuff, 4 massive breakouts that you don't want to miss out, for hold or sell, which is different than these semiconductors that I have just done. Alibaba's earnings are coming, so definitely check these out if you are interested. Anyways, that's all. And if you need also access to my tools, links are in the description of this video. And I'll see you in my next videos. Take care. Bye.